Forming or reinstating a business in North Carolina requires specific steps through the Secretary of State's office. Understanding these requirements can save you time, money, and potential legal headaches. The North Carolina Secretary of State oversees business filings, lobbyist registrations, and state trademarks. Their office is your primary resource for forming an LLC or reinstating a dissolved corporation. To form an LLC in North Carolina, you'll need two essential documents: Form L01, the Articles of Organization, and Form BE001, the cover sheet for business filings. Both forms can be found on the Secretary of State's website under the All Forms for LLCs section. The North Carolina Secretary of State offers valuable online tools for business owners. Their Business Entity Search function allows you to view public filing information for all registered entities in the state. You can search by company name, registered agent, or company ID number. The website also provides an online filing portal for new registrations and annual reports, document status tracking, UCC filings, lien searches, trademark registrations, and lobbyist compliance tools. After submitting your LLC formation documents, standard processing typically takes 7 to 10 business days. Upon approval, you'll receive a certified copy of your Articles of Organization, either by mail or email, depending on the delivery method you selected on your application cover sheet. For those needing faster processing, expedited options are available. Same-day service costs $200, with documents required before noon. 24-hour service is available for $100. Standard service is free but takes 7 to 10 business days. Indicate your preferred processing speed on the BE01 cover sheet. If your corporation has been dissolved, you can apply for reinstatement by filing Form B08, Application for Reinstatement Following Dissolution. This form must include any missing annual reports and required fees. You can submit this by mail or in person, and using a cover sheet for over-the-counter corporate filings can help expedite the process. The North Carolina Secretary of State accepts various payment methods, including checks, money orders, and cash. All payments must be made payable to the North Carolina Secretary of State. You can submit business documents online through the sosnc.gov portal, by mail to their P.O. Box address, or in person at their Raleigh office. Electronic filing is often the fastest and most convenient method for annual reports and simple updates. The reinstatement fee for a North Carolina corporation is $100. Processing time is typically 7 to 10 business days, but expedited options are available for additional fees. When applying for reinstatement, note that you cannot change your registered agent, principal office address, or corporate directors on the reinstatement form. These changes must be made on your annual report, which should be filed along with your reinstatement application. To maintain good standing with the North Carolina Secretary of State, corporations must file annual reports by April 15th, while LLCs must file on the anniversary of their formation. All businesses must maintain a registered agent with a physical address in North Carolina and pay all applicable fees and taxes. Failure to meet these requirements can lead to involuntary dissolution. Out-of-state businesses looking to register as a foreign LLC in North Carolina must file a certificate of authority using Form L09 and provide a certificate of existence from their home state dated within 6 months of filing. They must also appoint a registered agent with a physical address in North Carolina. Common filing mistakes that cause delays include submitting outdated forms, leaving required fields blank, forgetting the cover sheet, omitting filing fees, and listing a P.O. box instead of a physical address for the principal office. Double-checking all documentation before submission can save significant time and frustration. Understanding these requirements and processes for the North Carolina Secretary of State will help ensure your business formation or reinstatement proceeds smoothly and efficiently, keeping your business in good standing with state authorities.